In the newest frontier of tech, autonomous underwater drones are transforming reef restoration by delivering coral fragments precisely where needed. These machines navigate complex reefs using sonar, magnetic anchors, and onboard AI to minimize damage to delicate ecosystems. Field trials have shown faster recolonization, reduced human boat traffic, and scalable deployment across large reef systems worldwide. Marine biologists partner with engineers to optimize fragment health and ensure genetic diversity remains intact in reef reserves. As the ocean faces warming, such biohybrid robotics could become a cornerstone of proactive, data-driven conservation for coastal communities.